As a gay Igbo king that is juicy, moisturized, hydrated, unbothered, my ancestors are always rocking for me. They love me, they support me, they guide me everywhere I go. My friend is in town, is around. We went car washing. After washing the car, we went to the supermarket, got myself some favorite snacks that is fit for the homosexual king that I am from Nchikoka local government area of Anambra State. I got my things. We walked around. My friend was laughing. I got myself some lemonade. We then went to this coffee place. We got ourselves coffee and cake. I had vitamin punch. My friend Ola had cashew cake. We were laughing. We were talking. We were doing all the fabulous thing that we do. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for joining the movement for visibility, representation, and truth. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.